Hello everyone, just a very short video today. The reason being is that I am changing the lighting in these coaches of the 4-SEP. I didn't like the lighting in them, and reading other people's comments on videos which they've got this in various guises of livery, they always seem to be suffering from the same thing, whereby the lighting is, when it's daylight you just can't see they're on. So what I've done is I've put my own lighting in. All works absolutely fine now. The only issue I have is that I need to put some stay alives in. It doesn't, when I move it, I don't get any flashing, so it's not too bad, but I'm sure when it's going excuse me, going around the track, then I'm sure it will flicker on and off, so I will put some stay alives in it anyway. I've had to bypass the original Bachmann lighting in the way it was configured, because they've got some magical electronics going on in here. I've got a clue what's going on, but it really wasn't working utilising the electronics. From there you can see it flash a bit then. Wasn't working at all using the original electronics. So I've done it differently, but it all works now. But the only drawback is that I can't use, there's a stay alive in this first coach which utilises the whole, because it's electronically connected with the connection bar, the drawbar, so it's not utilising the stay alive in here. So what I will do, I'll just get some stay alives. This one's okay because it does use it, but the other three won't. So I would just put 3 stay alives, one in each coach, and then that should solve that issue. I've just got the other 2 middle coaches to do, and then we'll be okay. If I turn it round, no, there's no point. It's the other 2 coaches which have got it with me. The other 2 coaches have got corridors in them, and I don't know if these had white corridors, but to me it looks wrong. So I'm going to tone that white down as well when I come to do these 2 coaches. I might do them a wood effect, like a mahogany or something. I'll see on that anyway. It does make a difference when coaches are turned around 180 degrees, not on these 2 obviously because they're facing the right way, because that's the driving unit and that's the dummy driving unit. The other 2 coaches are unpowered, like this one is. It does make a difference because these 2 have, the middle ones have got corridors in, like I showed you there. So you've got curtains one side and you've got a corridor the other side, and it looks odd because these 2 have got curtains both sides. It looks odd when this is going round and I'm using the video camera to have a corridor shown, because you get curtains, corridor, corridor, curtains. So what I will do, I will have these facing the way it's going to go on the layout, so that all you see are curtains in all 4 coaches. Only a little thing, but it annoyed me when I saw that. But there is a certain sequence you have to have these in. They're in the instructions, which is what I had them in. But it doesn't tell you which way round you have these, and I guess that's entirely up to you how you have it. It doesn't seem to make any difference in the running of it, but you certainly have to have them in a set sequence of the 4 coaches. So anyway, the lights are brilliant. I love those. I've put a resistor in each one to knock the temperature down of the brightness. And what I've done is that I've used, if I can find it, I can't, it's in here. No, it's not. I've used, unlike the normal LED strips like that with individual LEDs, what I've used in here is the LEDs incorporated into like a plastic tube, if you like, which runs all the way along, and it kind of diffuses the light throughout the whole coach, which gives a nice effect rather than having the individual bulbs. So that's the way it looks. I can run it like that and there's no flickering, but I guarantee that when it goes up on lakeside that will flicker. Probably, anyway. But to save all that hassle, I would just put a Stay Alive in. So that's what I've been doing. So I've just got the other two coaches, this one and, oh, excuse me, those two to do. That one and that one, and I should do the same thing. And I will, once I've done it all, then I will put this up on Lakeside and give it a run and do another quick video then. But I'll pop this one up now just to let you know what I've been doing. It's taken me a day to get these two done. It was quite fiddly to do, especially when I found out that it wasn't the driving car, it was this car, and no doubt these two will be the same. It would not operate off the internal electronics for whatever reason. I haven't got a clue. I'm not really an electronics guy, so I think I must have been away from school when they taught electronics, because I really haven't got a clue about electronics. But I've got this working now anyway, so that's the main thing. And next time when I come to put the Stay Alive in, I will want to put some people in and a driver, so I can do that all in one hit. But at least I wanted to get this lighting sorted out today, which is what I've done, so that's good. So I can now carry on and do the lighting on these, and then that should be it. Okay, anyway, I just thought I'd pop this video up just so you can see what's going on. And I think you agree that that is a much better light than the horrible lights which were in there originally. At least I can see that these are on now, whereas before I couldn't. So good, I'm pleased about that. Oh, you will notice that there is no lighting at this end here in that compartment, and that's because this is where the motor is, and I didn't really want that particularly lit up, because it would just show the motor and all its workings. So I've cropped it here, from here to here for the lighting strip, and put a little tiny piece in here for the cab end. Good, okay, alright, that's it. Hope you've had a good weekend, and I'll speak to you again soon when I come to do another video. Okay, bye for now. Bye.